Yongnuo YN50mm. Yongnuo lens EF 50mm 1.8 for Canon is a 50mm autofocus lens for creative, art and beauty photography. The wide aperture 1.8 enables a shallow department of field. f1.8 large aperture, virtual background, which makes photography with more fun. Support autofocus and manual focus mode. Adopts gold plating for the metal contacts, effectively improve the signal conductivity and corrosion resistance. If you want to know more about this item, you can follow video description. Canon EF 85mm. 85mm standard lens with f/1.8 maximum aperture for Canon SLR cameras, lens type, telephoto zoom lens. Ring type ultrasonic monitor, USM, brings subject quickly into focus, focal length, 85mm, closest focusing distance, 2.8 feet. Sony SL35F 1835mm. Minimum focus distance, 0.99 foot, 0.3 m. New optical design for excellent peripheral, sharpness and contrast, built-in image stabilization. Silent and smooth high-speed focusing ideal, for shooting movies. Superb focusing operation. Lens group or elements is 6/8. If autofocus can't lock on or focuses on the wrong subject, step in and take total control with direct manual focus. Sigma 16mm lens. A wide-angle prime, this 16mm f/1.4 is designed for micro 4/3 mount, mirrorless cameras and provides a 24mm equivalent focal length. Fast f/1.4 maximum aperture excels in low light conditions and also affords greater focus control for producing shallow depth of field effects. Canon STM Lens. Lens construction, 12 elements in 9 groups. Focus adjustment, AF with full-time manual. Closest focusing distance, 0.49 foot/0.15 m. Circular aperture, 7 blades, helps deliver beautiful, soft backgrounds, maximum magnification of 0.30x at the telephoto end. Filter size, 2.2 inches/55mm diameter. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more, check video description below. To watch more of our videos, subscribe and click bell buttons.